Dear students, today I am going to discuss about the transformation. So, transformation is the process by which cell-free DNA is taken up by another bacteria. The principal steps of transformation are given in this figure. So, this is the donor cell. This is the competent recipient cell. So, a number of chemical or physical treatments make the bacteria competent to take DNA through transformation. So, from this donor cell, DNA fragments is extracted, and extraction of the donor DNA fragments is occurred after cell lysis by chemical or mechanical means. So, the DNA from donor bacteria binds to competent recipient cell and DNA enters into the cell. The DNA enters into the recipient cell through an uncharacterized mechanism. When the DNA enters into the recipient cell, then that DNA is integrated into the chromosomal DNA through a homologous recombination. So, the bacteria may then replicate the sequence of interest in amounts suitable for further analysis and or manipulation. So, by this way, finally, this is the transformed cells. So, these transformed cells with appropriate resistance will grow and give colony, and that transformed cells will grow on solid media with appropriate antibiotics. Further, I will discuss about the material and equipments that is required in the transformation process. So, E. coli competent cells, water bath, Luria Bertini media, LB agar plate and incubator is required. And competent cells are incubated with DNA or circular plasmid containing appropriate resistance gene such as ampicillin resistance gene for 30 minutes. So this is the procedure, and after that this process, heat shock is given to the competent cells. So competent cells are given a brief heat shock at 42 degrees Celsius for 90 seconds to relax the cell wall, and high temperature stress causes upregulation of the factor responsible for DNA recombination and repair. So, a chilled bacterial media is added for faster recovery of transformed cells, and it is plated on solid media with appropriate antibiotics such as ampicillin and allowed to grow for another 18 to 24 hours. The transformed cells with appropriate resistance will grow and give colony. So, this topic is done today.